everybody. Today we're going to be reviewing the Viper 8K optical gaming mouse today. So let's check out the review. Right out the gate, I love the way that this mouse feels, the way that it grips, the way the finger movement on the side right here. I can just pivot my finger and hit the two buttons very easy. It's lighter weight, but it's not cheap. It's good quality buttons. It clicks good. It's smoother movement. You know, with the 8K hyperpolling inside this unit, I can tell that it's definitely faster than my normal gaming mice that are a 1K. So I definitely can tell a difference. It definitely is going to make a difference more on the higher refresh rate monitors at like 144 hertz. That's where you're going to see the difference, mainly with this when you're playing games like Call of Duty, other first-person shooters. You know, might be a little fun with Cyberpunk. You know, you don't need it as much. But this is definitely a good buy. I think this is $79 price point. There's a link down below. You guys can come check it out. But this is the first using it and doing some actual gaming with it. It's been a good experience, and I definitely think you should guys go out and get it. Thanks for watching our video, and don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button down below so you can get the latest news, product reviews, custom build towers that we do, how to repair your gadgets that you have at home, and we look forward to you guys. So hit that notification button down there, and don't forget to check out our store at tekkies.store, our website.